Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPad keeps turning off on its own, there are a few settings that could be causing it. The most common reason is the auto lock feature, which controls how long the screen stays on when you're not using it. But there are also other factors that might be involved. Let's go through everything you need to check. First, open settings and tap display and brightness. Here you'll see an option called auto lock. Set it to never if you want the screen to stay on indefinitely. However, I wouldn't recommend this in most cases because leaving your iPad unlocked for too long can drain the battery. Instead, you might want to pick a time interval that suits you while still preventing the screen from turning off too quickly. Another thing to check is low power mode, which is designed to save battery but can override your auto lock settings. If it's enabled, your iPad might be shutting off the screen faster than you want. To disable it, go to settings, tap battery, and turn off low power mode. Once that's done, go back and make sure your auto lock setting is set the way you want it. Now, if your iPad is actually turning off completely on its own, not just locking the screen, then it could be a hardware issue. A faulty battery or overheating could be causing it to shut down unexpectedly. If you notice the iPad getting too hot or the battery draining abnormally fast, it might be worth getting it checked by a professional. If the issue continues even after adjusting these settings, restart your iPad. A simple restart can help apply changes properly and fix minor glitches that might be causing the problem. Once it turns back on, check if everything is working as expected. That's all for this one. Hopefully this helped you get your iPad working the way you want. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.